Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export or save each row as text file with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, we can split each row into a new sheet by its split data utility and then apply its split workbook utility to save these sheets as individual text files in Excel. Select the range that you will save each row as a text file and click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Split Data feature. In the Opening Split Data into Multiple Worksheets dialog box, check the Fixed Rows option and type 1 into the Below box. Specify the rule in the Rules box. Here we will select row numbers and then click the OK button. Now each row is split into a new worksheet or new workbook with the title row, as you can see. If you don't need the title row in the new sheets, please uncheck the My Data Has Headers option. In the new sheet, click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Split Workbook feature. In the Opening Split Workbook dialog box, please check the Save As type and select the Unicode text from the drop-down list. If you don't need to save hidden worksheets as text files, please check the Escape Hidden Worksheets option. And if you don't need to save blank worksheets as text files, please check the Escape Blank Worksheets option and click the Split button to split the data. Then specify a folder that you will save the text files into in the Browse for Folder dialog box. And click on the Select Folder button. If there are many worksheets you will save as text files, it will take some time to split. Then you will see each row is split and saved as a text file into the specified folder. As you can see. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.